Entender. Entender. This is a common Spanish verb that has some meanings, and one of them is to figure out. Entender usually means to understand, but it could also be very similar to the phrasal verb to figure out, to figure something out. So let's look at some examples using this verb. The first example is: ¿Entendiste cómo usarlo? ¿Entendiste cómo usarlo? This means, did you figure out how to use it? We're talking about something vague. We could be talking about a computer. We could be talking about a cell phone. Did you figure out how to use something? Okay, so let's break this down. Let's see how this question works. ¿Entendiste? 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 Means did you figure out? This is quite interesting. Obviously, we don't have a personal pronoun here. Tú entendiste. We don't need to say tú. We can just say entendiste, and that whole thing means did you figure out. We don't have anything similar to did in Spanish or do in questions, of course. So we just conjugate the verb in the tense that we need, and that's it. We don't have did or do when talking about questions. So entendiste means did you figure out. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo means how. Usarlo. Usarlo. Lo is quite interesting. It can mean eat in Spanish. It can be an article, but in this situation, it's a pronoun and it means eat. Okay? Usar is the verb. Usar right here is the verb, and it means use. So when you have como in a question, it could mean how to. How to. So this is a very, very easy question. It looks a bit difficult, but it's not difficult at all. You just need to understand how it works. The next example is: no entiendo cómo funciona. No entiendo cómo funciona esta aplicación. No entiendo cómo funciona esta aplicación. This means I can't figure out how this app works. Okay, so it's important to mention that entender is very similar to understand, but also to figure out. When using entender, when it means to figure out, usually it's about, understanding how something works. There are different ways to say to figure out in Spanish, but this one is all about understanding or not understanding how something works. I know that figure out can mean quite a few things in English. You can use that in different situations, but essentially we're just talking about understanding or mentally grasp something. Now let's break this down. Let's see how this sentence works. No can mean no, it can mean didn't, it can mean don't, it can mean quite a few things. Of course, it works with verbs, and there's like different situations where you can use no. But when you say no entiendo, it can mean I don't or understand, but it also can mean, or it's very similar to saying I can't figure something out, or I can't figure out ... So that's something very interesting. It's very useful to know this. Cómo means how. Funciona is a verb. Funcionar can mean quite a few things, but it usually means to work, to function when talking about machines, devices, systems. Also, it could mean to work out, to be effective. Of course, we're talking about plans, relationships, ideas, and also to run, to operate. We're talking about vehicles, businesses, etc. Man, it can mean quite a few things. Funcionar. We should talk about this verb in the future. But in this situation, it's similar to saying to work. So we have it here. Funciona means works. And we have esta. Esta means this. Aplicación. Aplicación means app. You could say app in Spanish and people will understand you. You can say, no entiendo cómo funciona esta app. That's fine. But if you want to know the term in Spanish, is aplicación. Aplicación. So, that is very interesting. Very interesting. No entiendo cómo funciona esta aplicación. I can't figure out how this app works. It can also mean I don't understand how this application works. Okay, so it has like two meanings. It's very similar to saying those two things, but essentially we're talking about understanding, to figure out how something works. And yeah, you can use entender in those situations. Leave more examples down below using entender. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Gracias por ver. Adiós. Bye.